And we have a thumbs up from our head ref. You know what that means. The first of our elimination matches will get underway in 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go, we're underway. 14-5-9-6, that's the Accelerate Machine, shooting 3 up top alongside their alliance partners from Romania, 209-36. 16-0-0 Astra Michiana from Omaha, Nebraska, alongside their Romanian alliance partners, VV Robots, shooting up top, 4 out of 6 go in. Classifier being stuck as 14-5-9-6, unable to corral those balls, but they're able to grab some artifacts as well. Their intake isn't quite able to spin. 19-1-1-6, picking up artifacts from their side of the field, spinning that spin dexter, and they all go in. Astra Michiana trying to do the same, but not quite able to.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Blue Alliance with a 39-point lead. Drivers now assessing the situation.
2, 1.
We're underway. Here we go. Drivers have control. BB Robots lining themselves up inside the closed zone. Up they go. 1, 2, 3 going in from that pink spin dexter. Accelerate trying to open up their classifier, and they will do so. Intake now spinning properly. 16-0-0 Astra Michiana poaching from the secret tunnel as Red Alliance continues to do the same. A panel has popped off of 19-1-1-6. That could be their license plate. Looks like their intake is still functioning properly though, and so is the rest of that robot. 2 shots going up and in as their classifier is once again open. 16-0-0 Astra Michiana shooting from downtown, grabbing 2 from their human player station. 29-36 Royal Engineers doing the same, shooting downtown. Big contact coming at me. 14-5-96 trying to do the same. Another few close shots from Accelerate. Classifier being open once again as those 3-point shots are active for Red. Red Alliance trying to close the gap, now down 172-15, but Blue Alliance continues to pour it on with another 6-point swing. Accelerate doing the same, the Tut Machine. 16-9-1-1-6. 19-1-1-6, BB Robots putting up another 3 up top. Red Alliance with a few more volleys as I looked away. 29-36, Royal Engineers grabbing more, cycling back and forth from the far launch zone. They do not miss. They are shooting and going, shooting and going. 16-0-0 trying to poach and now shooting from the close launch zone to get better accuracy. Not quite able to grab that fuel from the backside though. There's a couple more waiting, lying in wait for Accelerate as the classifier on blue is now open. Red Alliance has closed the gap, only now 271 to 292. It's now a 20-point swing, it's closer to 50. It was after auto. Blue Alliance may be losing their lead as a big hit backside from defense from 29-36. Incidental defense inside the launch zone. Volleys of fuel crisscrossing over each other as more 3-point swings are occurring. Red Alliance trying to close the gap, now only down 313 to 328. Can they do it? Another 2 points going in. Accelerate has another 2. They need to open up that classifier if they want more points though. What will they think about endgame? 3 more shots going in for Red and Blue as now Robots looking to try and park as time expires. Make it loud for the result, folks. It's the Blue Alliance. They overcame their deficit by a score of 362 to 342. This will unfortunately mean elimination for